Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful animated container effect in your Flutter app in just a few lines of code. Now we move to the code that I are ready to do right. Now I explain it. Importing the necessary Flutter material package for UI component, import mat dot importing dot mat to generate a random number. It plays a very important role in Flutter. We create class stateful widget class for UI changes when user click on the button. State class where all the logic and UI are handled. First we take width. Default width of the container is 150. Default height of the container is 150. Default color of the container is deep purple. Border radius geometry cir- border radius dot circular 20. Default alignment is center. Now we create function to change all properties randomly. Void change properties final a random equal to a random. Create a random number generator. Set state. Why we use set state? It is used to update the UI when property changes. It plays a very important role in Flutter when you have to change UI in the screen. Width equal to a random dot next double multiply 200 plus 100 a random width between 100 to 300. Height random dot next double multiply 200 plus 100 random height between 100 to 300. Generate a random RGB colors. This is function. This is a red color value, green color value, blue color value. Full opacity. After that we create a random border radius up to 60. Now we create a random alignment position x and y between -1 and 1. Now we build the screen scaffold. This is the screen, main widget of our screen. Extended body behind app bar allows background to extend behind the app bar. It is not commonly used property app bar. Here we take title, center title, background and elevation. Main background container with gradient. Body container width. This is width of the screen. After that we use gradient. Here we take three colors: deep purple, light purple pinkish gradient end. Begin alignment dot top left gradient start point, gradient end point. Main column containing the animated box and button. Column main axis alignment, main axis dot center, center vertically. Glass style card container for modern UI look. Container, these are margin, padding, and decoration. Semi-transparent background for glass effect. This is border radius, border, and box shadow, where we take color, blur radius, and offset with different values. Here we take animated container inside the glass card. Animated container. Its duration is milliseconds 900. It means animation duration is 0.9 seconds. Now we use the property curve as in, out, back. Smooth, playful animation curve effect. Width underscore width, height underscore height. That we take values. Dynamic alignment underscore alignment. It also use the dynamic alignment. Decoration box, decoration color, border radius, box shadow, color, bl blur radius, offset, shadow effect. After that, we use flutter dash icon inside the animated container. Child icon, icon dot flutter underscore dash cut, flutter dash icon. Its color is white. Its size is 50. Size box, space between the container and button. Here we use elevated button to change the container for animations. On page we use function change properties. This is function. Here we take different values for colors, border radius, alignment, width and height. Elevation, shape, padding. These are the properties of elevated button. Now we use widget child to take text. Now we move to the emulator to see the results. Here I click animate button. You will see that container is anim animated in different size, height and width, and border radius. It's also change colors. So you can create easily animated container with the help of these code lines. You can also change values according to your need. And that's it. A fully dynamic, colorful, and smooth animated container example perfect for your Flutter UI project. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more beautiful Flutter animations every week. Please subscribe my channel that encourage me for more videos.